Hey there, friends and fellow crafters. It's LeeAnn, and I am here today with Robin's Nest. You're going to see I'm using the ebony and ivory dewdrops today. I love these dewdrops because they are a diamond shaped and dot shaped and even some teardrops. So today I am doing a card that was actually for the last challenge, and unfortunately I'm off on my weeks, and so you're seeing this after this particular challenge has ended, but it's great inspiration anyway. So as you can see, I'm using a peel off here to put this gold line across my polka dot pattern paper. I am going to bring in a T-square ruler to get this straight because I'm just not able to do so. And here we go. Here's my ruler. Get that in there, and it's still not working. So let me find my T-square real quick. There it is. So we get this on here. Now we do have a new challenge that goes live every Sunday. Check out our Instagram in order to see what the sketch is for that challenge. I will continue doing the challenges as part of my project inspiration, and I do post every other week. So be sure to check the Instagram page every week so that you too can be active in the challenge. So I do have some glitter cardstock that I'm using for my squares here. I have two different greens and a blue, and I'm putting them in the pattern to simulate the sky and the grass, and then a mid-tone color. And yeah, I'm just all kinds of messed up here. I was working on trying to get my projects completed before I was leaving to go out of town for 3 weeks. And so here we go with the sky. And a little bit of a darker blue for the center, and then we have the green for the grass. Here we go. Now, Robin's Nest is a family company. They do craft their dewdrops and bottle them. You'll be able to see that. They do have photos of all of that information on the Robin's Nest website. So first I was using my ATG gun, as you can see it over there on the right. Now I am using liquid glue, and my image here is a piece of ephemera from Crafty Meraki. They have not only stamps and stencils and dies, but they also have ephemera sheets that match up perfectly to the stamps. And they are already colored, so no fussing, no mussing. Just grab those sheets and die cut them out, and you're good to go. And I do like it because they do have them in different colors as far as the clothing goes, as well as the skin tones. So it's perfect. There's 4 different sets in each ephemera package, and then there's multiple sheets of each. And so now I have my hello sentiment. This is from Altenew, and we'll stick that down on there. And then let's see here. Alright, so there's the rest of my sentiment. Push that down there with the block. And now I'm going to empty my dewdrop bottle so that I can pick out the ones that I want to use. So everything I use will be linked in the description box below. As far as the dewdrops go, I will also have the links to the ephemera and such. And so here we are with my black diamonds, and then the little dots that I used as well. I wanted to use two different types, so I used the white dots and the black diamonds. And here you go. Please give this video a thumbs up, like and subscribe if you're not already. Thank you for watching, and have a crafty day. Bye.